In this video, I explain you how to calculate moving averages using data analysis tool pack in Microsoft Excel. First we see what is a moving average. The moving averages method uses the average of the most recent end data values in a time series as the forecast for the next period. The term moving is used because every time a new observation becomes available for the time series, it replaces the oldest observation in the equation and a new average is computed. As a result, the average will change or move as new observations become available. So the equation what we use is to calculate the averages in the moving averages. We need to take value 1, 2, 3 based on number of observations days. So we can say 3-day moving average mean here we need to calculate average of these 3 days. Instead of doing that, what we can do is we use Excel built-in data analysis tool pack. So for that, go to data, click on data, then click on data analysis tool pack, that is data analysis, and here among the analytical tools select moving averages, then click OK. Once you click OK, it asks you to give a input. So our input, our observations are here a quantity traded. So select this, then hold the shift key, press end button and down arrow so that your total data will be selected. Then click on this. So your input is here and interval. So how many days of moving average you need, either for a 3-day, 5 days, 7-day, 9-day. So we take a 3-day moving average here, or we go for a 5-day moving average, and output range, where is it you want your output to be presented. So click here and select the adjacent cell where your data starts. Then chart output, choose for a chart output, then click OK, and your moving average is done. So the blue line shows the actual observations and the red line shows the forecast. So moving averages is also used to smooth the data to run a further analysis. So here is moving average data values.